In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and send a proposal. We'll walk through the process from the estimates area all the way to saving or sharing your proposal, keeping things simple and clear so you can follow along confidently. Start by heading to the estimates section on the left side. This is your starting point for building a new proposal. Once you're there, look to the upper right corner and click on Create New. From the options that appear, choose Proposal. This opens a fresh proposal workspace where you'll set up all the details your client needs to see. At the top, you'll have the option to add a logo. Including your logo is a quick win for branding and helps your proposal look professional. Next, choose a client from your client list. Make sure you select the correct profile so the proposal routes to the right contact and reflects accurate information. You can change the proposal date if you need to match a specific timeline or reference date. Right nearby, you'll see the proposal number. This is automatically assigned and is great for tracking, filing, and future reference when you or your client need to look it up. In the body of the proposal, you can add a line as many times as you need. Use these lines for products, services, or fees, whatever makes your offer clear. Keep descriptions clear and concise, and consider grouping related items for easy reading. If your project has phases or milestones, you can also add a timeline. This helps set expectations and gives your client a clear sense of when deliverables will happen. To make your document easier to navigate, you can also add a section. Sections are perfect for organizing content like scope, pricing, terms, and next steps, and they make longer proposals more digestible. On the right side, open the settings panel. Here, you'll see an option to require an e-signature. Turning this on makes it easy for your client to approve the proposal digitally, which speeds up the process. You can also customize the proposal style to align with your brand. Think about layout, spacing, and visual consistency. While you're there, check the currency and language settings so everything matches your client's locale and expectations. Once you've finished editing, click Save to keep your work. If you're ready to share the proposal right away, click Send to so it can be delivered to the intended recipient. And that's it. Your proposal is built, polished,